Festool's DF500Q Plus domino joining machine is a best-in-class unit that boasts premium performance and ease of use. Partnered with the optional Festool 1060-piece 4-10mm assorted domino beech tenon starter set Systainer, you'll quickly become the most popular person on site with this all-round premium product. What makes the Domino DF500 special is its unique routing motion. The simultaneous rotating and pendulum movement of the router allows smooth working and holds without scorch marks. Thanks to the pendulum motion, the routers don't overheat, leading to an extremely long tool life. The unit has a no load speed of up to 25,500 RPM with a max cutting depth of 28mm. The cutting diameter has a range of 4 to 10mm and can do miter routing between 0 and 90 degrees. The Domino DF500 is particularly easy to use and handle and offers almost unlimited joining possibilities. No matter whether it's a panel or cabinet construction, for lightweight frame or rack joints, the DF500 impresses with maximum precision, flexibility and simple handling. With an easy Detent lever lock, you can choose your required routing depth and expect precise cuts every single time. The options are 12, 15, 20, 25 and 28mm. The special shape of the Domino in combination with expanding glue pockets and lateral longitudinal grooves gives the dowels a secure grip. You can use the Festool Domino DF500 joining machine to process dominoes up to 10 by 50mm in size. One of the main time-based advantages of working with the Domino DF500 joiners arises from working without complicated measuring or marking. The precise and fast positioning that comes with this unit is quite simple thanks to the stop catches. Like all Festool products, this unit is designed to work perfectly with one of Festool's dust extraction systems. In the Systainer, you'll find the Domino Cutter, a vertical stop support bracket, a WAF 8 open-ended spanner, and a plug-it lead. Then comes the ultimate optional accessory for your Festool Domino, a Systainer to sort and keep domino tenons together with easy access to them while working. The wide range allows you to determine the best cutter and domino for every job. Using a Beechwood domino dowel that bear the Pan-European Forest Council quality seal, you get peace of mind knowing that the wood is strong and sustainable. You'll find the following in the set: a 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10mm domino cutter, 450 4x20mm domino tenons, 225 5x30mm domino tenons, 150 6x40mm domino tenons, 100 8x40mm domino tenons, 75 8x50mm domino tenons, and 60 10x50mm domino tenons. The Festool DF500Q Plus domino joining machine is a series class leader with its premium design, features and performance. Partnered with the tenon starter set, you have one serious powerhouse of a joining combo. You can get your own at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.